Hello and welcome to the SupraScoop tutorial for the settings page. The settings of SupraScoop are quite minimalistic and currently you can only change your password in there. So for this tutorial we're going to look at how to do that. And now let's get right into the video. The settings for SupraScoop is currently extremely simple. There's not much you can do in terms of customization except for changing your password. All you have to do is type in your old password, type in your new password twice to confirm it, and then click on the confirm button to change your password, update it, and then there we go. Next time you log in, you will have a new password you have to use. That's it for the settings tutorial. Thanks for watching, have a nice day, and I'll see you next time.